Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to remove Google account from other devices. So the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Google application in your device and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on manage your Google account. Okay, and then just wait for a few seconds to load the page. And then here, just slide to your right and tap on security. And then scroll down until you see the manage all devices option. Now you can see here the devices that you have logged into. So tap on the device that you want to remove your account. So here, just click on sign out. So after clicking on sign out, your account will be removed from that specific device, okay? So that's it. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.